Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine and all the products that I'm currently using and loving. This was a requested video. So many of you send me messages asking to do a video on my skincare, all the products that I'm using. A lot of people compliment my skin and they think it is so flawless and perfect. Well, it's actually not. It's the makeup and also probably the camera that hides all my imperfections, thank God. But especially now, I've been breaking out real bad for the past couple of days. It's probably Coke and all the chocolate that I've been eating. I know it's bad and I should stop and take care of my skin because it doesn't feel its best. It is ironic that I'm doing this video, but I really wanted to share all the products that I'm using. But also I think it can be helpful for some of you who is just starting their skincare. I've started to use more skincare products. I think it was last year. I've decided to take care of my skin now so it looks so good when I'm older, when I'm like 70 or 80 years old. And by now I already have the products that I'm really enjoying and I can actually see the results. My skin obviously improved so much because before I was breaking out even more without even eating chocolate. I put all my skincare products in my niece BB just for aesthetics, so it looks nice. But this is everything that I use. It's not too many products, and also I've got a new product that I have yet to try, but I'll talk about it a little bit later. But let's start with the morning time. When I wake up, I immediately go wash my face. In the morning, I feel like my skin is really oily, so I like to use a little bit of soap just to get rid of all the oils in my skin. Then I use these two products from Dior. So first of all, I put the Gentle Cleansing Milk. This is what it looks like. I've been using these two products for so many years now. I've started when I was probably around 17, maybe 18 years old, and these two are such a great combo. So I put this one first and then I use the Gentle Tonic Lotion. I use this twice a day, so in the morning and in the evening after I wash my face. This is a very nice way to basically clean your skin completely so it is fresh and clean and is ready to absorb the actual product, the actual creams. Then what I usually use is this Hydra Beauty Micro Serum from Chanel. I put it right after the tonic from Dior and it is also very hydrating. My skin is weird because it is oily but it's dry at the same time. So this one is very light, it is not thick. So especially in the morning before you apply any makeup, it's really nice to feel something lighter on your face, because I feel like if I put a heavier, a thicker cream in the morning and I apply makeup afterwards, it just becomes really cakey. I don't know, but this one is really nice and I use it together with the Chanel Hydra Beauty Camellia Water Cream. This one is also super light. It smells amazing and it actually really helps with hydrating my skin. So yeah, these two together as well. And that is basically everything I use in the morning. 4 products, 4 different steps, but it is super easy, very quick. In the evening, I wash my face, I take off my makeup using this Guerlain Mousse. It's basically a gentle foam wash and it is so nice. I prefer using foam type of cleansers instead of the creamy ones. I just prefer them a lot better. I first put some water on my face and then I need to shake this a little bit, put it on my hands and wash all the makeup off my face. It is really nice. I would highly recommend it. My mom was the first to introduce me to this product and I've been using it for probably 4 years now, and I love it so much. Can't live without it. It's such a great product. After that, once I remove all the makeup from my face, again I apply the cleansing milk, and afterwards the tonic. The milk helps to get rid of some of the makeup that is like on the outer parts of the face, under the eyes, so this is really nice. And then obviously the tonic. So these two definitely play a huge role in my skincare routine. Then I apply the Estee Lauder Matrix. It's the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. This is what it looks like. It is really easy to apply right under the eye. So I put it somewhere around here, and then I just tap with my fingers a little bit. It is so good. I honestly love it so much. It reduces the dark circles and the puffiness in the morning. I've been using it for a year now, and it's such a great product. I can really see the result. Before I used to have the dark circles under my eyes, and now they're completely gone. It's such a rarity to have those. I feel like when obviously I sleep for 2 hours a night, I get those a lot, and the cream doesn't really help, but otherwise it does its magic. And then I use the same Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is such a great product. I've heard about it a lot, like before I bought it, but then when I actually went to the store, it was like the best serum ever, and all the sales associates recommended it to me, so I've decided to give it a try. I tried it, and it is not my first bottle, but though it lasts for quite a long time. This one is 50 ml. They come with a smaller bottle. I've got a new one because this one is almost empty, so I've got a new one to start, but it is so nice. It really does repair your skin, and I've noticed that because I've stopped breaking out for such a long time, and I feel like my skin is a lot tighter now. Because I used to have such huge pores. I know it doesn't really help with that, but it recovers your skin, and I feel like it just has become so much better, so much softer, and it behaves well, because before my skin was a complete mess, and I'm so glad I bought it, and I can't imagine my life without this now. And at the very end I apply some cream, at the very end, yeah, I apply some cream, and I use the one from Rituals. This is just a night cream. This is pretty thick, and I love to apply a thicker cream at night because, oh my god, and I really love to apply a thicker cream during the night so my skin can absorb more, and it can really hydrate. It has a really nice scent. They also have a day cream, but instead I just use the Chanel Hydra Beauty ones, and I just prefer those because they're super light, whereas this one is a bit thicker, and I think for the morning it's a little bit too heavy on your skin. But also I really love the bottle. It has this rose gold finish at the top, and then it looks marble at the bottom. It's just so beautiful. It's like a piece of decor in my bathroom. It is so pretty, and you don't have to buy like the whole bottle every time you run out of the cream. You can just remove the top part. It is very easy. I'm not going to do that now because then it's just going to become a little bit messy, but you can buy a refill and just change that. And lastly, I wanted to share with you my new product. This was a gift from my husband, and it's called the Hydra Beauty Micro Cream. So it's a part of the whole Hydra Beauty collection. So I've got these two so far, and now I also have the proper cream. I haven't tried it yet. It is still sealed in the front, but I'm gonna start using it once I run out of one of my creams, probably. This is everything I use on a daily basis, morning and evening. Not too many products, but I still feel like I've improved a lot. I probably wasn't that helpful in like telling you exactly what it does to the skin because I'm not a cosmetologist. I don't really know all the ingredients and what they do exactly to the skin, but I just know that everything works and I love every single product. They are quite expensive, but I try to find good deals. I go to the store in Geneva and I'm a member of their like loyalty program, and every once in a while they have this like 25% off, 30% off everything, and that's the time when I go and buy everything that I'm out of, so I can save up a little bit more, because some of the creams can get really expensive. Another cream lastly I want to mention is by Guerlain, and it's called Abiel Royale. It is so good. They have the day cream and the night cream, and they also have some eye products and some tonics and stuff like that, and they're so good. I used to use their day cream. It is so amazing. It is also super light. It smells so nice and it actually hydrates your skin. But once I ran out of it, I've just decided to try these two products together, and for now I'm just happy with those. But I guess once I run out of them, I can switch back to the Guerlain products, because they're also super nice. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.